Welcome to Discover Why, the place where curiosity knows no bounds and everyday mysteries finally find an explanation. From the glowing screen in your hand to the endless connections spanning the planet, technology and media are a theater of brilliant innovations and hidden processes that shape our modern world. But have you ever wondered about the why behind these digital spectacles? Today we'll take you on a fascinating journey through the heart of the tech world to unveil the secrets behind 10 common technology and media elements we take for granted. Get ready to be amazed by the ingenuity and power of human innovation. Are you ready to discover? Let's start unraveling the secrets of our incredible digital world with the first why. Why does your touchscreen work with just a finger touch? Ever thought it's kind of magic how you just touch your smartphone screen and it instantly responds? Well, it's not magic, it's pure science. Most modern touchscreens, the ones that react to your finger, use a tech called capacitive touchscreen. Imagine your screen as an invisible grid of electrical charges. When your finger, which conducts electricity, touches the surface, it slightly disrupts or changes this electric field. Your phone then knows exactly where that change happened and interprets it as a command. It's like your finger creates a tiny, invisible dent in the electric field, and your phone knows exactly where you made it. A simple, yet incredibly smart interaction that makes our devices so intuitive. Why do you sometimes see ads for things you just talked about? Has it ever happened to you that you talk about something with a friend and right after poof, an online ad for that exact thing pops up? It seems like magic or that your phone is listening to you, right? But the truth is a bit different and more subtle. Apps and websites collect tons of data about your online activities, your searches, the sites you visit, your purchases, and even your location. All this information is analyzed to create a profile of your interests. So, the ads you see are the result of these digital footprints and your related online activities. Technology doesn't directly spy on your private conversations, but it's incredibly good at guessing your interests based on what you do in the digital world. Why can artificial intelligences create realistic images and texts? It's incredible how artificial intelligences, or AI, can now create images that look like real photos or write text so well they seem human, right? The secret lies in their training. Imagine showing a child millions of photos of dogs and cats. That child would learn to distinguish the characteristics of each. In the same way, AIs are trained on enormous amounts of data, millions of real images or billions of texts. They learn the patterns, relationships, and characteristics. When you ask the AI to create something, it uses all this knowledge to generate new works that look authentic because they're based on everything it has seen or read before. It's like an artist who has studied thousands of works before creating their own, but at incredible speed. Why is airplane mode so important on planes? When you get on a plane, you're always asked to activate airplane mode. It's not just to make you disconnect from social media. Phones and other electronic devices emit radio waves to communicate with antennas. Even if the possibility is minimal, these waves could, in theory, create small interferences with the plane's sensitive electronic and navigation systems, especially during critical phases like takeoff and landing. Airplane mode disables all these wireless transmissions, eliminating any risk and ensuring maximum safety for your flight. It's a vital precaution for everyone's safety on board. Why do computers only understand 0s and 1s? It seems strange that a complex computer like yours only understands two numbers, 0 and 1, right? Yet, it's the most efficient and reliable way for its electrical circuits to work. Inside a computer, all information, every image, every sound, Every word is represented by electrical signals. A 1 can mean there's current, like a light switch turned on, and a 0 means there isn't, off. By combining millions of these switches turning on and off in sequence, the computer creates a language it understands perfectly. It's a simple system at its core, but incredibly powerful, and it's the fundamental language of the entire digital age. Why does your phone battery die so fast? Your phone battery seems to die in a flash, forcing you to charge it often, right? This happens because your smartphone is no longer just a phone. It's a real mini supercomputer in your pocket. Its brain, the processor, is constantly working. The bright screen consumes a lot of energy, and the many apps you've installed keep running in the background, exchanging data and updating even when you're not using them. Every time you search for a signal, use GPS, or connect to Wi-Fi, your phone wastes energy. It's all that computing and connection power packed into a small space that drinks energy like a sponge. Why do streaming videos sometimes freeze or buffer slowly? Imagine watching your favorite movie online, and suddenly it freezes for the dreaded buffering. This happens because your device is trying to receive enough data from the internet server to play the video without interruptions. If your internet connection is too slow compared to how heavy the video is, meaning its quality, or if the server the video comes from is overloaded, the data just doesn't arrive fast enough. The video stops, waits for more data to arrive in the buffer, and then resumes. It's like a faucet. If the water flows slowly, filling the glass takes longer and you might have to wait. Why aren't keyboard keys in alphabetical order? Have you ever noticed that the keys on your computer or phone keyboard aren't in alphabetical order? Seems illogical, right? Actually, this seemingly disorganized layout called quo verdi was invented for old typewriters. Back then, if frequently used letters were too close together, the machine's hammers would easily jam. To slightly slow down typing and prevent these jams, they spread out the most common letters. Even though we don't have jamming hammers anymore, we're so used to QWERTY that it's remained the global standard. It's a piece of tech history that keeps influencing how we type every single day. Why do your digital photos take up so much space? It seems incredible how a single photo can fill up your phone's memory, right? A digital photo, no matter how thin, is actually a gigantic grid made of millions of tiny squares called pixels. Each pixel contains detailed information about its color and brightness. When you take a photo with your modern smartphone, it captures a lot of detail, which means there are millions of these pixels to save, each with its own information. The more detailed the photo, meaning the more pixels it has, and the more colors and shades present, the greater the amount of information to store, and therefore, the more space it will occupy. It's like drawing a work of art with lots of colors on a very large sheet of paper. You need more brushes, more paint, and more space to store it. Why do you hear audio in headphones, but not the speakers? Have you ever wondered why, when you plug headphones into your phone, the audio magically disappears from the external speakers? It's not a complex tech mystery. Simply put, your device is smartly programmed to divert the audio signal to the new output you've connected. The hole where you plug in the headphone jack or the Bluetooth connection has a kind of internal switch that tells the phone, hey, the user wants the sound to go here, directly to their ears, not from the main speakers. It's a practical feature for privacy and convenience, allowing you to listen to your music or videos without disturbing anyone around you. And so, we've unveiled 10 incredible whys behind the phenomena that drive the world of technology and media. Which of these revelations surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the tech world, Don't forget to like the video, share it with your curious friends, and most importantly, subscribe to the Discover Why channel so you don't miss our next videos full of incredible discoveries. We'll see you in the next Why.